Bird on the street.
This whole week we're celebrating the role that philanthropy plays on our campus with our inaugural Redbird Philanthropy Week. Today we are in the Bone Student Center. We're in Milner Library from 10 to 2. Come get some coffee and some hot chocolate and learn a bit about how philanthropy and private support is impacting your time here at Illinois State.
Giving back to the community not only benefits yourself, but your environment and also the others around you.
It's important to give back to Illinois State because I've been able to get such a great education here, and I want others who come after me to have the same opportunities that I've had.
But it's important to give back because there are people coming behind us that need the resources that we weren't able to get.
So giving back is really important. ISU has been my home for the last 4 years, and they've definitely done a lot to make sure that you feel at home and that you feel included as the Redbird family. So it's really important to make sure that other people understand just exactly what ISU means and what they have to offer.